Welcome to the Efani FAQ series. This is question number 2. What is included in the Efani Safe Plan? The mobile service portion of the Efani Safe Plan includes the following: unlimited voice, data, and text in US, Canada, Mexico, 40 gigabits of priority data speed, hotspot, Wi Fi calling, and Wi Fi SMS, which means that if you're behind a Wi Fi connection anywhere in the world, somebody can call your Efani number or text it, and it will be free to you. And also, if you're behind Wi Fi anywhere in the world, you'll be able to call or text into North America, and that will also be free. We do offer add-ons, and those include things like the full global cellular experience on AT&T, where for $10 a day or $100 per month, you can have voice, data, text in around 170 countries around the world. And then we also sell data services to things like watches, iWatches, tablets, PCs, and other data-only type devices. In addition to the mobile service, you also get the Efani security privacy insurance. And I'll go into some detail here on that. So for the security, you get our 11 layers of verification to make sure your mobile account can never get stolen away. And we also offer the option for you to be able to create your own custom steps. So you can actually have 12 steps in total. Another security feature is that, let's say you use AT&T with Efani. Even if you went into an AT&T store and gave them your passport and your driver's license, they'll try and help you, but they won't be able to because they're not going to be able to access your account. And that's how we're eliminating all of the middlemen who can be bribed and tricked and part of the deal or collecting your verification information. In addition to the security benefits, we also offer privacy benefits. We never give your information to the carrier, and we also commit to never selling your data ever. The only data that we do retain is your payment information and verification information. That data is stored separately. And even inside of Efani, we have a need to know basis and need to access basis. To give you an example, if you became an Efani customer and you contacted me directly and you said, Mark, could you please tell me what my billing cycle is or how much data I've used? I have zero access into anything that has to do with your account. Even our customer support is divided up into tiers. And our tier 1, which answers the phone or responds to text messages or emails most of the time, even they have very limited access to be able to help you, just enough to be able to help the majority of requests that come in that are very simple. But anything that requires any type of risky transaction must be submitted internally and get approval. And there's this very small handful of people that have any access to your account. Another way we keep you private and secure is that once we port your number over to Efani, everything we do from that point on is manual. The way the mobile industry is designed is that all the carriers and all the resellers have portals to be able to access and move your mobile account from one carrier over to another with just a couple bits of information. And this is what makes this industry scary, because you can be ported from one carrier to another without anyone ever talking live to your original carrier. Now with Efani, once you're ported over, we unplug you from that system. In order for somebody to port out, they have to go through our 11 layers of verification, possibly a 12th layer if you added a custom step, and then it requires multiple manual approvals for you to be ported out. And the last big feature that we provide as part of the Efani Safe Plan is the $5 million insurance policy provided for every one of our customers. This insurance policy is core to our business. We want to make sure this policy is never used, and it's never been used yet. And that means we're going to do everything we humanly can to make sure that you stay safe and your mobile account can never be stolen away. Please like and subscribe. We'd love to have you join our secure mobile community. And until then, stay safe and secure.